Hi guys, this is me, Sky.
And this is me, Leia.
And we're eating sweets. And first, let's eat this. Let's eat.
Yeah. Mag-tissue kasi ko, guys.
I have a tissue.
Ha?
Kumakain.
Taga mo lang dyan.
I can't literally bite it, guys. Ilagay mo na yun dyan kasi...
Pang.
So, guys, we're eating... Ilagay mo na dyan. Yogurt sticks. Wait lang. Wait, guys, we're gonna pause the video real quick. So, guys, I'm back. Ilagay mo na yun. So, we're eating yogurt sticks. It's like this. You can eat the plastic because it's not eatable. You can only eat the inside. Okay, let's eat.
Like this.
You can bite it like this. But you can do this also.
You don't like.
This flavor is, I think, melon. Diba? Sarap, no?
Eat patata ba?
Guys, you tried, Guys, you tried, Filipino... Wait, guys! Wait for part